Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. This time we are looking at TwisterPro Scalper. It's a high precision gold scalping expert advisor. Before we dive in, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with a solid set of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, you'll find the link in the description below. All right, so platform confirmation first. This is TwisterPro Scalper EA for MT5. So we are strictly in the MetaTrader 5 here. Let us scroll through the marketplace page from the top. It is built by Jorge Luis Guimares de Araujo Diaz, currently version 2.5, last updated on the 22nd of July 2026 with 20 activations available. It is priced at 399 US dollars. The tagline on the page sums up the philosophy pretty clearly. Fewer trades, better trades. Consistency above all. Now, there are also two live signal links shown for both of the EA's modes, which is worth checking if you want to see ongoing real account behavior. According to the description, this is a high precision scalping EA developed exclusively for XAUUSD on the M15 timeframe. Every entry is said to pass through 5 independent validation layers before an order is placed. Okay, which the developer says results in a very high win rate on the default configuration. Now, there are two selectable modes. We have mode 1, which is the recommended one. It is described as having very high assertiveness with few trades per week, built around capital preservation and disciplined trading. Then we have mode 2, which uses a significantly shorter stop loss, trades more frequently, and is described as suited to traders who want more market exposure while keeping individual losses minimal. Now, on specifications, the EA is for gold on the M15 chart. A minimum deposit of $100 is available with a recommendation for $250. And the page is explicit that a raw spread account is essential. Okay, with the VPS strongly recommended. Importantly, it is stated that there is no greed involved. Every trade carries its own defined take profit and stop loss. The developer also recommends a few specific brokers known for raw spread conditions and offers a user guide and bonus after purchase. Now, let us get into the historical testing. So I ran this test on a $10,000 account and of course tested on XAUUSD recommended pair on M15, which is the recommended time frame, covering January through July 2026, around 7 months. The total net profit for that period came out to a very large $124,269. Now let us break that down. Actually, almost 270, $124,270, because it's just 98 cents here. Okay, so let us break that down because the surrounding numbers are just as striking. The gross profit was $128,110 against a gross loss of only around $3,840, giving a profit factor of 33.36. The maximum balance drawdown was just 1.91%, and the equity drawdown peaked at 4.26%. Now, out of 81 total trades, which fits the fewer trades positioning from the page, over 91% were profitable, as you can see here. Now, I want to be straightforward here. Figures like a profit factor above 33 and a Sharpe ratio in the hundreds are well outside what you typically see in real trading conditions, even from a genuinely well-built strategy. Okay, numbers this strong are worth appreciating for what the historical test shows, but they are also exactly the kind of result that deserves extra scrutiny rather than being taken at face value. Okay, since the developer themselves state that a raw spread account is essential for this EA to function as intended, it is reasonable to assume that spread execution quality and slippage on your specific broker could meaningfully affect whether the affect whether real results come anywhere close to what is shown here. Now let's just briefly look at the equity curve. This looks pretty interesting. The equity and balance, we are very tightly close to each other. We can see that there were no significant sharp drawdowns. The equity and balance, we are just moving hand in hand. We were just moving hand in hand. It was in just these few occasions that the equity seemed to, be a bit apart from the balance. Just on few occasions, we can see here, on few occasions, and here where the equity was a bit apart from the balance. But overall, it was a steady growth over time. A steady growth over time. Okay, so now to close this out, based purely on the available information, TwisterPro Scalper's historical testing shows an unusually strong outcome, low drawdown, and a trade frequency that matches its own fewer, better trades positioning. Okay, but given how exceptional these particular numbers are, I'll treat this as a case where your own forward testing on a demo account, ideally on one of the recommended raw spread brokers, matters more than usual before drawing any conclusions about real world performance. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right, turn on your notifications and also share the video with other trader friends who you think are going to find it valuable as well. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.